I posted this yesterday in the morning and it read, your WhatsApp status shouldn't be memes. It should be proof of what you do. Before and after. Results, client wins. You already have an audience of people who saved your number. Most of them don't know what you do. So show them every day. So a dearest follower hit me up and asked me, what if one works for their bosses? Second question, will they pay for the ad? In this case, they were asking if their bosses would pay for their ad. And these are two valid questions that everyone should be asking, more so who is thinking of taking on this advice I'm trying to advocate for. But personally, here are two ways I get to look at this. Yeah. One, if posting your boss's work helps you build your name, that is the first perspective. So this is what I get to mean by this. So if whatever you're posting gets to show to the market that you're someone who knows what it is that you do, yeah, that is one. If it helps you position you as an expert in that field, yeah, that is the second perspective. Then why not do it? Because trust me, you're not always going to be working for your boss forever. And at some point, you're going to leave. So by the moment you get to leave, trust me, even your portfolio will move with you. So why not go ahead and post that damn work? The second one, and this is the most real reason as why I'm advocating for this, yeah, is if yourself you've got a side hustle. So I know most of you are on your jobs, but on the side you have something else that you're running. You might be running a boutique, you might be running a restaurant, you might be running some sort of side hustle business, something you work on after your work or during your working process. So if you have WhatsApp and your WhatsApp status is available, why not post your work? Why not post your side hustle? Because that is the only moment your WhatsApp status is going to be a real advertising billboard for you. As we already saw, many people have saved your numbers, but they don't know what it is that you do. So if you have a side hustle, your status should be screaming what it is that you do so that most of those people get to be in the know-how of what it is that you do. Yeah. Like most of them might even be in the position of wanting to be your clients, wanting to acquire what it is that you're selling, wanting to acquire or do business with you, but they just don't know it yet. So make your status scream whatever it is that you do. So stop waiting to be your own boss before you start posting on your WhatsApp status, especially about what it is that you're doing. You need to start where you are. So post what you can, post whatever it is that you do, build your name while someone else is paying your bills. The last thing I want to make known to you is that the internet doesn't care who signs your paycheck. It only remembers those that show up. So show up on your WhatsApp status and trust me, you're going to get the results. So in the comments, just let me know, are you using your WhatsApp to build your brand name or are you just filling up your space?